This is your Fly Rod Chronicles Time for Education, presented by the state of West Virginia.
Hey, Curtis Fleming here with Fly Rod Chronicles. We just had a great day on the West Virginia stream, and I started to take my rod apart, and something occurred to me. And this is a great tip for y'all. This part, it's a 4-piece rod. This part came apart really easy. The part up here did not. I tried to take it apart and it stuck. And this is where you will break a $400 to a $1,200 rod. I've tried to take it apart. I've pulled. I'm going to give you a little tip that'll make it a lot easier. The strongest part of your body is right here, is your legs. So grip this and grip this side. So you put it down here, move your legs in close, all right? I'm using my legs to push out. You push it straight out, it comes out, and it's easy. And I'm just gonna give you one more little tip to prevent that. And I didn't do this. You know what? You always have grease on your nose. I should have done that when I went out on this part of it, and that makes it a lot easier. But that's a couple little tips that'll make things easier for you when you get out there. And I've seen too many rods break and people go home mad. We're not mad because we're in almost heaven, West Virginia.